Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 760 NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put this into pairing mode, okay? So if you look at one of the ear cups here, where all the buttons are, you see the power button here. So what I want to do is turn these on first, okay? So they're currently off. Let me turn them on. Let me just press and hold this power button for a few seconds. Wait for it to turn on. Now we'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue here, okay? I got a solid blue light right there. Okay, so I'm not getting a blue blinking light, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. So this is not in pairing mode. It's a solid blue light here because it is connected to my other phone. So let me go ahead and put this in pairing mode. Let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold the power button. Okay, now it's off. Now for myself, I'm gonna press and I'm gonna keep holding this power button until I get a blue blinking light now, okay? So power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm gonna keep holding here, just wait. Now it's blinking blue, you see the blue? Now it's in pairing mode. Now I'm gonna go into my iPhone settings here. We're gonna go to Bluetooth settings. So go there, go to your Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then if you go all the way down under other devices, that little spinny searching thing is searching for devices that are in this pairing mode that is near me, and it did find the JBL Tune 760s here. So let me tap on that right there and give it 1 second, and then we should be connected. JBL Tune 760, it is now connected. Okay? Now if you had any issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.